Hi.
I'm Michael Andre.
And I'm Michael, and we're going to open some
Pokemon. The new set.
the new set. So we have ngayon release day kasi today. Release day nabili po namin sa Toy R Us, and we have ito for 8 packs, and we bought it at SRP at Toy R Us. So we'll seal one and we'll open 4 packs. Okay, two two
Two.
2 packs per person.
Yeah, we're gonna battle who's gonna win. I keep winning sa dati.
So
So I think I'm gonna win again.
okay,
Or you win. Because sometimes you win.
yun natin.
Who's gonna pick first?
Okay,
Me or you?
so yan po siya. It's 1,156. Hindi ba kita? Hindi kaya. Ayan. So 4 packs. You have 4 packs. Mamili ka. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng sleeves para dyan in case we have some pulls. Alright. 2 for daddy.
Two
And?
for me.
Pakita mo yan. 2 for daddy and 2 for Andre. So, sino una?
Me.
Alright. So, congratulations sa mga pumila ng 12 midnight. Pumila daw sa Toy R Us sa Robinson para mabili yung ETB, para makabili ng booster box and yung iba pang mga bundles, booster bundle. So, ito na lang natira sa amin. So, sige, tingnan natin. I think you can open na, diba? Pakita mo para makita nila na ino-open. Babayan natin. Alright. Easy. Siyempre, meron din tayong for our master set. Meron tayong binili para sa ating master set. Sige.
We got Mediti.
Huwag ilayo mo na kasi hindi nagkaano eh. Sige.
Washotom.
Ilapit mo na sa'yo. Huwag mo na iyan. Kasi ayaw mag-focus. Sige. Pakita mo sa akin. Malapit lang. Ganyan mo na lang.
MS,
Yan. Sige.
MS Hype. Team Rocket, Porkeden 2. Port John 2. Team
Polygon.
Rocket.
Polygon 2.
Rapid Dash. Thailand Power Weight. Another Team Rocket Golbat. We got another Team Rocket.
Mas okay yun kasi...
Ooh.
Okay, reverse
Team
halo.
Mash, Opriemo.
Reverse halo. Reverse halo.
Reverse Hollow.
Okay, yan na
For
yun mo.
Asakata. Or Fish.
And, regular rare. Halo rare pala. Halo rare ba?
Arben Green.
Halo rare ba? Halo rare. Okay, my turn.
Is Hollow Rare kind of good?
No. Wait. Okay, my first pack. Wait, hirap pa. Okay. Hirap na po.
Looks like I'm better than you.
Okay, yan. I open mine. My first pack. Hopefully there's first pack magic. Alright.
Flashback Magic.
Okay, I got Team Rocket's Marip. Team Rocket Tarantula.
You got so many Team Rockets now.
Team Rocket Ratatat.
Another Team Rocket?
Team Rocket Bilbop.
I think that's Team Rocket.
Steve's Clado.
Huh?
Team Rocket Ariana.
Oh, Steven.
Floatzel.
Why do we have
Reverse
so many?
Halo Fomantis. Reverse Halo Team Rocket Marip. And
Why you got so many Team Rockets?
Team Rocket Speedops.
Why you have so many Team Rockets?
Nasaan yung ano? Ayun. Okay. And the second pack.
Last pack.
Last pack pala. Wala pa tayong hit na kukuha. Man.
If we don't get anything good, we just lost 1,000.
Well, you're not wrong. ah. First time na lang ulit ako nakapag-open ng Pokemon on release day. Alright.
Yep.
Oh, may natira. Wala.
So, we got Dolly. Science's Gambit. Gambit?
Gambite?
Gambit.
Gabite.
Ethan Quailiba.
Huh? Ano?
Oh, Team Rocket needed who?
Nidorina.
Proper boss.
Ayaw magano ah. Uy. Ay, subo.
Spike Mont Gym. Team Rocket Monk.
Mak.
Team Reverse Halo Team Rocket Elecan.
Na naman.
Team Rocket.
Ekans.
Reverse
Dalawa
Halo
na ganyan
Team
natin.
Rocket Merap.
And, oh man.
Bruh!
Na naman. You're second. Oh man. Ba yan? Last pack magic. Be good to us, Destined Rivals. Oh man, ang mahal mo pa naman, wala man lang na ano. Anyway,
We got no double.
meron tayong doubles na. May mga doubles na tayo. So yeah, last pack magic. Here it goes. Electrike. Cello. Ethan Slugma.
Ethan.
Meditite. Misty Psyduck, one of my chase. I love this card. So I got one of my chase. Team Rockets Butterspot. Heart Flame Mask Origopon or Ogarpon. Team Rocket Zupat, Reverse Halo. Reverse Halo Sinchas Powerade. And last but not the least is oh man. Ay, Zapdos! Yeah, I got one of my, Team Rocket Zapdos. Alright. We got one legendary bird. And one, 4 energy cards. Well, I got one of my
Two.
chase pack.
Two, right?
Two of my chase pack. So, I'm trying to find, saan na yun? Misty. Kailangan ko rin Gyarados. Yung Gyarados, kailangan ko.
Not even an EX.
And, kailangan ko yung 3 legendary birds. Pati si Ho-Oh, so 4. Then, ang pinaka-hinahunt talaga namin dito is itong Misty's Reverse. Hindi pala ito hinahanap natin. Yung alternate art illustration Pokemon Rare na Misty's Psyduck. Ang hinahanap natin. Well, it's tumama naman. Pero, ano pa rin. So, that's it. 4 packs i-open. 1 will keep sealed.
How about the others?
We'll keep sealed. Or buksan na natin. Magdadalawang isip ako, parang gusto kong buksan na rin. Buksan ba natin?
If we get chunk,
Buksan ba natin? Yes or no lang?
if we lose,
Buksan ba natin? Yes or no? What do you think?
if we open that,
Yes or no?
if we
Yes or
if
no?
we don't get another hit, like no EX or anything, I'm gonna pay you 100. Yes.
You're gonna pay me 100 if you
Yeah,
don't. Oh, sige, alright. We'll open.
If we
What
get
the heck? We'll open all.
if we get 1 EX, I'm not gonna give you 100.
Okay. 100 lang.
Yeah.
Scotch tape. Matanda na ng scotch tape na to.
But if we get your favorite Psyduck, Misty Psyduck, alternate artwork, you're gonna give me 100. Okay? Deal. Deal? Deal.
Huh?
Bill,
What?
if you get your favorite Psyduck, Misty Psyduck illustration here or alternate artwork, you're gonna give me 100.
Sure. So,
We're gonna
we should,
battle.
hindi dapat namin to bubuksan. But we'll open it now. Because we didn't get any hits. So, we'll open it and hopefully we can buy more.
He said
Oh,
he wants to open because
ito sa akin. Bahala ka dyan.
Uy!
Ako namili. Ako naman namili. Ito 2 packs. So, 4 packs na. 8 packs na binuksan namin
why are
yun.
you excited?
Alright.
Because you
Come
want
on.
to get my 100?
No, I want to get my Misty Psyduck na yung illustration.
So you're gonna give me 100?
So, yeah. Ikaw muna. Tsaka, pangit ng full rates. Wala man lang tayong nakuhang For the first 4 packs, wala tayong nakuha. Hopefully, but we'll add it in the binder. So, meron tayong pang master set natin.
It's hard. What if we just break it? Because we already have a master full set. We got one of your favorite, Mr. Psyduck.
No, but that's the different artwork kasi. Oh. I'm going to open mine na rin para hindi ako mahirapan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Our bench Toad School. Marina impediam pine. Bruce Hill. Team Rocket Porygon.
Ano naman?
No, 2. Porygon 2.
Two,
This is
okay.
Porygon 1.
Okay.
Team Rocket Arthur. We got so many Team Rocket.
It's okay.
Maybe this is based on Team
Yeah,
Rocket.
it's based on Team Rocket.
Wellspin Orpagon. Shaymin.
Get something good.
Reverse Halo Team Rocket Pupertin.
Get something good, man. Get
Reverse
something
Halo
good.
Team Petrol. Team Rocket versus EX.
Yay!
Now I won't give you 100 no more. Yeah.
No, you said Misties.
No.
No.
No. I said
no.
if you get that, you're gonna pay me 100.
no. That's
So
not
that means I'm not gonna pay you 100. Then.
our first official hit from Destin's
I'm
Rival.
not gonna pay you 100 no more.
Yes.
I'm not gonna pay you 100 no more. Yeah.
All right.
My money has been saved.
What?
Because I'm not gonna give you 100 no more,
Okay.
right?
Scovet, Arken Scovet. Huh?
Huh?
Relor. Team Rockets Grimer, meron na tayo
I'm
niyan.
gonna give broken.
Team Rockets Houndour, wala pa tayo niyan. Meron na tayo. Team Rockets Archer. Arven's Toad Screw. Cincha's Spirit Tomb. Arven's Toad Screw. Okay, Reverse Halo Team Rockets Meowth and hey! I got a hit also. Donzo Dondozo EX. Wow.
Maybe we shouldn't open the other one and just open this one.
Yeah. We should keep the other seal, but you picked that. You picked that, remember?
Hey, now we got a hit.
So, we have 2 hits already from 6 packs. Alright. Okay, your turn again.
Why does he look like a whale?
Because I don't know. It's like a
Big mouth.
milkfish. It's like a bangus in Tagalog. So, if you can see, those are our yan. And this is our binders of our master sets.
Why are you showing off?
Alright.
There, finally, I opened one. And not with Daddy's help.
Wait lang, kunin ko lang yung ano.
You happy now?
No, not yet.
No, you got EX.
I did not get my chase
Oh.
cards.
Ethan Pichu. Ethan. Toros. Marine Morpeko.
Or Peko.
Morpeko. Why do you have so many trainer? Oh, Team Rocket Labitar. So many. Wait, if there's a train. Oh, another. Team Rocket V-Sing.
Easy.
Grantic Cave. Ancient. Team Rocket Amparus. Dudu.
Okay na.
Applin. Or Apple.
Reverse
Oh,
hollow.
Reverse Hollow. Reverse Hollow.
Ano naman?
Scried Ash.
Oh, yan na, yan na. Yan na.
Oh!
It's okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
We
Team
got.
Rocket Arbitrary.
Yeah, it's okay. I really need that also. That's
Yeah.
that's one of my chase. Yung isa Zapdos, di ba?
Hmm.
Sino yung Zapdos pala?
Found it. It's also from Team Rocket.
Yeah. So pero mas maganda sana kung mga alternate art. Pero okay lang. It's okay. I am my last pack. Our 8 pack. Dolliv. Sinchas Gabite na naman. Meron tayo yan. Ethan Squivala. Meron tayo yan. Team Rockets Dorina. Meron tayo yan. Team Rockets Houndoom. Okay, meron ngayon lang yan. Energy Recycler. Medichamp. Growlithe. Reverse Hollow.
Hey.
Reverse Hollow Wash Roton and oh man, Team Rockets Tyranitar. They shielded, keep it
Shield.
sealed. Okay, our hits, our official hit is this two, and
And our fake hit is this
our
one.
chase, semi-chase cards here. So, hindi natin nakuha yung gusto nating Misty Psyduck na illustration rare, or ang tinatawag natin dito is illustration rare na Poco. Tama,
Wait.
illustration rare.
This,
It's okay.
This is very good for our deck.
So, in short,
Adi.
ginastos natin for today, for
2,000.
this, ito, 1,156 times 2. That's 2,312 for those 8 packs.
We still don't know how much these are.
Naalala ko dati 120 lang yata yun, 150 ang isang Pokemon cards. But now, naging 280 plus na siya. Oh.
Daddy, this is very good for our deck.
289.
Look at that, Axe.
Laki na ng
It's
ano.
very good, look.
Ay, it's an EKS. Anyway, I'm Michael. And we just opened some
8 booster packs.
of Destined Rivals.
It's like we open a Elite Trainer box.
10. 10 ang Elite Trainer box.
I thought 9.
Depende. Pag Pokemon Center, I think 11 or 12. Anyway, bye! See you next time!